In this video, I'll show you how everything works and go over all the details. Now, there are a few important points that I'd like to quickly go over. First, I'll show you all the details of which website you should visit and why it is the best option. Second, I'll show you exactly step by step how we can go through the entire sign-up process from the beginning to end and get verification quickly. Many people really don't know how to do that. And last but not least, if you skip any part of this video and go straight to the website, you'll most likely fail because you'll be making these fatal mistakes. So pay attention so you can get started quickly. And as a bonus, at the end of this video, I'll reveal an income multiplier formula so you can earn 2 to 3 times more money without doing any actual work. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let's get started with the video. So the first step is to go to validately.com. And the reason I'm sharing this opportunity with you is that they've been working closely with some of the world's most well-known companies, including Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. The second reason is that they will deposit all of the funds into your PayPal account. It's not about a point system, an Amazon gift card, or anything else like that. It's just some cold, hard cash. The third reason is that they are completely legitimate. They are a real firm, which is why they have a 5-star rating on Glassdoor.com. So, first and foremost, I want you to hover your mouse over this Get Paid to Test button. Click on it, and you'll be taken to this website. Test websites make money, it's that simple, as you can see here. So in order for you to start earning money on this website, they've been split down into 3 parts. So first and foremost, you must register for a free account by clicking on this link, click here to register. However, the Validately sign-up process is a little complicated. I'm going to conduct a live demonstration on this video and do it with you so you can see everything before you try it for yourself. It's important that you don't skip any portion of this video since they will ask you a total of 15 questions, which you must answer correctly in order for them to approve your sign-up. Now, I want you to click on this blue Create Account button, and after that, question number 1 is, what type of mobile device do you own? I'll go for the iPhone because I have one. The next question is, what type of computer do you own? Which do you prefer, a Mac or a Windows PC? Because I have a Windows PC, I'll just click Next right here. What version of Windows do you use? Here I'm going to go with Windows 10. So just keep pressing the next button. Then by clicking on it, choose your gender. What year were you born? Is the 5th question. And all I have to do now is type in your answer and press the next button. Next, what is your level of education? It's also significant since as an adult with a source of income and a job, you'll be offered a higher paying position if you choose a college graduate. As a result, I strongly suggest you choose a college graduate and then go to the following step. The next step is to select your employment status, which might be self-employed, full-time, or part-time. I'm going to select full-time and then proceed to the next step. So, what is your work title? For the next question, you cannot only simply type any answer to this question. Instead, you must choose one of these options. Very important, the most amazing answer for me is administration staff, and I'm just going to click on Next. Next, what is your annual household income? For me, I click on right over at $125,000 per year and then I click on Next. What is your full name? I will just type in my full name right here and click on Next. What is your email? So right here, type in your email address and then click Next. Because they need your PayPal email so that they can transfer money to your PayPal account once you finish your job. Just make sure you put in your correct PayPal email. So, once I've entered my PayPal email address, I'll go to the following step. It's simple. simply type in your password. Now, we'll move on, which is really essential since they'll ask you, what time zone do you live in? Now, when you click on Detect My Location, you'll want to right-click on this link and select the time zone manually, and in any case, select the option that best suits you. Now, this is the last question. All you have to do is click Yes, I agree, and sign up. So after answering these 15 questions, you have successfully registered your account. I know that's a lot of questions and answers, but if you watch this video and copy precisely what I did, you can do it under 2 minutes. As you can see, they're going to give you a confirmation email, so make sure to check your inbox for a message from the website, and then click the link in the email to activate your account. Now, after you click on the link, you'll be taken through a 1-minute screener test, and I'll show you precisely how to do it, as well as a live example of how you can make money on this website. And then you can go ahead and click on the screener test right now by clicking on the screen button here. You can do this either on your computer or on your phone. It only takes around 1 minute to complete this task, which is really quick. So they're going to show you a variety of different checklists to make sure you're doing everything correctly. Simply click on this green button to participate in this 1-minute screener test. Now, I'm not going to waste your time and we'll do it in this video. And it's actually quite simple. Just press the button and go through the process for 1 minute. They will ask you a few questions to see whether you can talk out loud, speak into a microphone, or speak into your earphone because this website will pay out extremely well. So they'll need to do some further verification and testing to see whether you're a good fit for this fantastic opportunity. So simply click this button and do the 1-minute screener test. The most significant disadvantage of this service is that you will not be able to get stable work every day. How often are new tests available? You can log into your account and check it every day. Try to refresh the page and check your email inbox. But not all of the tests are suitable for you that match your requirements. So you might be generating money today, but not tomorrow. So that's the main reason why people don't seem to be able to make a steady income on Validately.com. But overall, you can make 3 times more money. I don't think many people know about this trick, and if you stick with me until the end, I promise you'll learn something really powerful and very valuable that you won't be able to find it in any other video, so that way you can make a ton more money. On top of everything else you're doing right now, you're establishing many sources of income on just one single website. Basically, they just want your opinion as a tester. So all you have to do is express yourself without any special skills or mastery of the English language. Simply say what you think about this as a user and what you've experienced, and they'll pay you $2 every minute. A lot of newcomers are taking advantage of this legitimate firm, but there are a lot of individuals who aren't aware of it. They don't show it to you, they don't show it in public, which is why I made this video to share these private opportunities with you, so you can start making money online and develop a few various streams of income to make more steady money online.